I'm back again with another new video. So before then, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the red subscribe button down then, and also turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video. If you are subscribed to my channel before, thank you and God bless you. So my today's topic when I want to talk about now, this particular comment we don't they bust Instagram, like Davido comment don't they bust everywhere. Now also Davido na person when they be say like thought his way name no they finish for story. If they talk story before they go talk 2, 3, 4, thought his name must fall that now. So Davido won't be Davido name no they finish for story at all. So make I go straight to the point. Pictures of Mercy Johnson they go viral since today will be 26th of April. Say Mercy Johnson born. Mercy Johnson don't born new baby. When I don't say Mercy Johnson get belle, nobody she hide. She show the pregnancy. Everybody knows say she get belle. The whole world knows say she get belle. And not be say if she born or they post pictures say Mercy Johnson don't born. You go show as in it's not go dey surprise. Everybody will want to congratulate Mercy Johnson because everybody love Mercy Johnson. Not everybody, but many people love Mercy Johnson. So me, I actually post Mercy Johnson, say Mercy Johnson, but I actually post her for my YouTube community tag, but I don't delete my own because I find out that the thing no be real. So she never born a whole picture of 2017 picture. Now be that one. So but the thing they go viral since morning for social media. So this particular girl, this nothing Nollywood actress Eniola. I hope I pronounce the name very well. So Eniola, the Yoruba lady. So she can't post the picture. She can't congratulate Mercy Johnson. So everybody comments congratulations. Then our guy, video Davido can't go there, can't comment. If wicked people, though, congratulations though. Like the comment is so like we don't understand the kind of comment the video drop for them. And even Worry Pikin still comments, but Worry Pikin comments not just they like they just normal comments where person will comment safe. But that the video won't surprise people. Like 140 something people, if no more than reply the video for the comments. Like if now I don't know whether na Mercy Johnson Davido they refer to, or now the person Eniola will post the picture Davido they refer to, because another person still reply Davido can still reply say Davido can reply the person say nothing, just evil set of people. That is all. That is what Davido can still reply. So me and people now they bother, people when they reply Davido they ask, and everybody if you see the comments and you go even still shock. Everybody now they like why Davido go drop this kind of comment. I mean Davido know they are happy say Mercy Johnson born, or now new thing if person born, or Mercy Johnson nothing born follow 3 children, because people first time people say people Mercy Johnson go born more than 3. People see attack her for that one, say Mercy Johnson to born, those kind of stuff. Maybe that made Davido can't drop that comment and nobody know, or maybe now because of the girl will post the picture Davido they refer to, or my friend say Davido and Mercy Johnson faced their problem months ago. Like when Mercy Johnson they want to open their new hotel, then they can't carry Davido, and Davido want to perform for the hotel. Program everything, they don't even pay Davido 3 million naira want to go perform, but they want to open their hotel. But Davido no go, no attend. They can't even write Davido. I think Davido saying travel. Now when the matter they cast for social media, when everybody they carry the matter for social media, before Davido can finally say the reason why he no go, because the area security no tight for the area no get better security. That is why he no go. But whether Davido return the money, give the Mercy Johnson back, or he no give, so we don't know, because the matter no go come up again, everything come dey close like that. Whether that reason they make Davido dey vex for the Mercy Johnson, I don't know, because the comment wey Davido drop, e no just good at all. Even though say person sef do you bad, person do you bad, like person offend you, you come hear say the person born, at least you go even congratulate the person, even though say you dey vex, but just congratulate the person, because na pikin we dey talk of. So na pikin, even though say the mother do you bad, but the pikin no do you anything, so you go just congratulate the pikin, say congratulations o, because everybody mess, even when Davido born sef, many people wey be say dey vex for Davido, when Davido born, many people still post Davido picture wey dey say congratulate Davido, like just normal thing wey everybody dey do. But no be say you go come carry the past come take dey attack the future or the present one, wetin happen before you come use am come take dey remember the present one. No, if as e be say that time Mercy Johnson do or talk wetin vex you, that time when you take talk am, that time you go take attack Mercy Johnson. Yeah, because like na social media life everybody dey live now, e get way go take attack you wey you no like, people go still dey wey go support you. But no be say we now when be say you hear or person post say e born, she born, na now you come dey wan pour your anger, make people for still know say you still dey vex for wetin don fit happen pass. If they say make dem talk am, normally na you offend those people, because na dem give you money, na you no go perform, because na your duty to go perform, na their duty to pay you. No be say you don perform, dem no see money give you, they don give you the money but you no go perform. So even though they talk the matter from now till tomorrow, na their right to talk the matter. But you see they doubt me, or that people wey say they drop comment for the wey they reply Davido comment say dem whether na Mercy Johnson Davido dey reply to, or na Eniola, because na Eniola na she post the picture. So now when everything don dey go up and down, they scatter Instagram. Before the Mercy Johnson husband come still write say Mercy Johnson never born. So I go still put the write up where Mercy Johnson husband write say Mercy Johnson never born. So now you just appreciate people wey show concern for the congratulation and posting and everything. So you show concern and still write say the wife never born. So me, and secondly sef, I feel say all these celebrities, they don't carry something for mind. Now be wetin me I dey feel say if something happen to any of them, they easily forgive themselves. I no even know say them they carry matter for mind like this sef, say wetin don happen before, they still dey use am dey reason the person. Like wetin don happen before, they go still use am dey reason the person, say this person don fit do bad, I go do am back, or I dey vex for this person. Na be wetin Davido do so. Na be wetin Davido do. Because I don't see any reason why I go make Davido go comment, say comment that kind of comment for person picture when person they congratulate person, and the person they congratulate. Now person wey and Davido don't get matter first before. So in that case, if you no want even comment, say just pass the picture, just pass am. Better pass say you go drop comments where be say everybody now go content they like verse for you, reply you different reply, talk to you anyhow. Like person the big pass something. Like as you see that picture, say you dey verse for these people, you don't want even talk, you don't want do anything. As you just pass. Don't be say you will come just drop comments when no even make sense. When the person will even see the comment itself, you go still say person maybe the message just don't even forgive Davido before. Or maybe Mercy Johnson don't forget everything will happen, but Davido never forget. And Davido, this kind of bad, this thing wey you do na bad habit, because you be man wey put something for mind like that, you get problem with person, you not to talk everything. Not be saying now you can't really refresh issue again. When they are there, the girl will post the picture, because everybody see the attack the girl for the comment section, say the girl na fake as she big, as she dey popular reach. She said they carry fake news, they waka, because people they say that and say they don't know how Mercy Johnson travel abroad, go born the pikin, because for the hospital, a white woman dey there, the doctor dey there, and we no say everywhere na everybody everywhere dey lock down everywhere, even plane no dey move from Nigeria to any country. Now everybody dey stay where you are, stay your country, stay anywhere you dey. So people dey ask how Miss Johnson take come fly overnight comot for the country where people no still know say Miss Johnson dey travel dey comot for the country go born the pikin. So people still dey that one. Now that one I be waiting Davido wan even still comment. I wish Davido wan comment say he wan use the God big mind comment. Now that one I be waiting to comment say how this lady take comot for the country where everywhere locked down. That one now if you comment that kind of comment, people go still hear am, people go still reply am with good manner. No be the one me say people dey reply am with bad manners, or they even dey insult am, so even still dey join the maybe na the fans go still dey join am for the comment session. But wetin Davido do, e no really dey nice at all. E no really dey nice. And the one be say e wan take scatter social media, wan still break record again. So Davido dey like make name dey come outside for things well. So the thing e no dey nice. Make all these celebrities make dem dey use make dem dey collaborate together. Like this life, nothing dey this life. Nothing dey this life at all. I wish as Chioma come born now, people now come dey see dey insult Chioma or insult Chioma or insult Davido, but Davido no go still like am. They say no do wetin you no go, they no do person, no do wetin go as wetin you no want me dey do to you, no do am to person because e no good. So guys, that's all we see am on this life. Person go put your matter for myself, you no go even know. But I don't really know, guys. So even the oil post, I can't go delete her because it's na 2017 picture be that one. So guys, this will be the end of my video. If you love this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed, please consider to hit the red subscribe button. And see you next time in my next video. Remain blessed and bye bye.